Hey, good morning everybody. It's Bill with Supreme Pressure Washing. Got a busy day today. We got 3 jobs on the books, 2 house wash and a driveway. It's a beautiful day here today, but it's going to be another hot one. So we'll see you at the site. Alright guys, here we are at the first job. It's a house wash with driveway and sidewalk. We'll do a quick walk around here. This is the house. A bit of a second story up there. Driveway's not too bad. Sidewalk. And we got this side here. And just up to the end where the neighbor's driveway or sidewalk connects. We'll walk way up to the door. Let's take a look at this side. Yep. Alright, so here's the one side. We got a lot of green algae all along the side up there. Gutters. Okay, here we are at the second job today. It's just a 3-car driveway. Well, not a whole lot here, but we'll hit the sidewalks and the street gutter as well. Trying to beat this rain today. It's not looking good.